In today's video, I am going to teach you how to present Canva in Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet in your web browser and go to your meeting. Make sure you are in the correct call before you start sharing anything. It also helps to join the meeting a little early, so you have time to set up your screen sharing without feeling rushed. Next, switch over to Canva and open the design you want to present. You should be in the Canva editor, where you can see your pages or slides and the tools around your design. Before you present, take a moment to confirm that the correct design is open and that your content is ready. If your design includes multiple pages, you will want to verify the order so you can move through it smoothly while you are on the call. Now, follow the on-screen highlights in the Canva editor. As you click through the highlighted areas, you are essentially moving your focus through the parts of the interface you will use to present. Go slowly and make sure each click registers, because that keeps you oriented in the editor and reduces the chance of clicking the wrong control right when you are about to share your screen. Continue clicking the highlighted areas as shown. This guides you toward the presentation controls in Canva. While you do that, a helpful tip is to close any unrelated tabs or windows, especially anything with personal notifications, so that you can present cleanly and avoid distractions once you start sharing your screen in Google Meet. When you are ready, click Present in Canva. This starts Canva's presentation view, which is designed for showing your design full screen and moving through it like slides. Once presentation mode is active, you can return to Google Meet and share the tab, window, or entire screen that displays your Canva presentation, depending on what you prefer and what your browser offers. Sharing the specific tab or window usually keeps things more focused for your audience. With Canva now in present mode, you are set to deliver your content clearly during your Google Meet. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.